Yo, what is going on, guys? So this is a really quick tutorial to show you guys how to get free Amazon gift card codes in 2024. You're going to be able to get a gift card that you can redeem on your Amazon app or on the website, and it's going to give you a balance that you can spend on anything. This works site-wide and worldwide, so let's show you how to do it, guys. Use your mobile phone, have an internet connection, and go to this website, wavycoupons.com. So spell it correctly, guys, like this: Wavy Coupons. This is an awesome website. Hit the search bar, type in Amazon, and you need to navigate your way to the Amazon gift card codes and coupons page. Now you can see there's a few different options, but we're interested in this one here, which is a $150 free Amazon gift card code. So click on show coupon. Now you need to unlock your gift card code. Obviously these are pretty valuable. They're worth $150. So this is a way to unlock your code. So you need to get your personal code by tapping unlock code. And you can see it's sort of processing it. I'm not going to do it. I've already done this loads of times. But basically, guys, you need to follow the instructions that you're going to see on a screen. It takes around 5 minutes, and it's going to get you the $150 Amazon gift card code for completely free. So go to wavycoupons.com, guys, and just follow the instructions you've seen in this video and on the website. And of course, enjoy your Amazon gift card code. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.